My lord, dear lordship, in this one, I want to mention, my lord, this one matter. This has been earlier occasion that was motion was notice was issued, but the last occasion, my lord, that is listed on 22/9. The direction to list after 4 weeks, but that is gone long back. So my matter is very urgent. So matter will be listed on 30th of this month.
13.
Monday, my lord.
Huh?
Monday, my lord. 30. Masterpiece.
Please, Your Lordship.
Yeah.
With the concern on the other side, Your Lordship, I will present item number 10, Your Lordship.
Item 10.
Yes, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, the leading counsel, Mr. TJ Monda, have some difficulties today, Your Lordship. But can we, Madam, it taken up next week, Your Lordship?
2017 matter.
Yes, Lordship. Today, Lordship, we have some difficulty, Lordship.
I appear for the response 1, 2, 3, and 4, Your Lordship.
Mr.
On-
Tigova, learned counsel, appearing on behalf of Mr. TJ Mahanta,
Yeah.
learned counsel for the learned senior counsel
Yeah.
for the petitioner. Submits that Mr. TJ Mahanta has some personal difficulty today, therefore praised for listing of the matter after 3 weeks. Mr. Praised a lot. However, considering that the matter is pending since 2017, let this adjournment be, the adjournment is granted as a last chance.
May I please, Your Lordship, I'm here to mention item number 27. As my senior counsel is having some unavoidable circumstances, so he could not be doing the hearing today, Your Lordship.
27.
Yes, Your Lordship.
What is there? Okay, on the prayer of
Miss D. Dash.
Didas, learned counsel appearing on behalf of
Enenja.
Mr.
Enenja.
Anenja, learned counsel for respond number 3. And the prayer not being objected to by learned counsel for the petition, let this matter be listed after 3 weeks.
Much obliged.
May I please, Your Lordship, with the consent of other party, I have moved to mention item number 30 and 31, Lordship, due to some personal difficulties of my senior.
Why?
30 and 31.
Why?
Okay, due to some personal difficulties of my senior.
I'm appearing for the petitioner in item number 30.
You are for?
I am the respondent number 6 in item number 30, and in item number 31, I am.
What
for
is the
petitioner,
matter?
Lordship.
But it's for headmistress.
Huh?
It's relating to headmaster of head teacher of a school.
What is there?
There, because she is holding the post,
So you are challenging that.
because I am the senior most teacher in the school.
Why this item 31?
That she has filed challenging an order passed by the inspector of schools, whereby she has been asked to join her original post.
This Mamta Ghosh. And you are challenging the
Challenging because I have not been I have not allowed to hold the post of head teacher because of her promotion.
Yeah. Okay, so what to do? Who is holding who is holding?
She is holding presently.
That's why he wants time. Anyway, you have no objection.
Personal difficulty, the council.
On the ground that Mr. BK Das, learned counsel for the respond number 6,
Yes, sir.
has some personal difficulty today. Mr.
Yes, Fazil.
Learned counsel appearing on his praise for listing of the matter. List of prayer not being the Mr. Dhar learned counsel for the petition in WPC 1469 has no difficulty, has no objection. Accordingly, let this matter be listed after 3 weeks.
May I pray for 23rd of April?
Then respond number 6 and petitioner in WPC 5814, huh? First, on the grasslands, huh? Petitioner for learned counsel petitioner The respondent number 4 and petitioner in WPC 5 and so on. Yes, please.
Acknowledgement.
My lord, I beg to mention item number 15. For as file affidavit, may be allowed to file reply, my lord. Item number 15.
On the prayer of Mr. N. Sharma, learned counsel for the petition, let this matter be listed after 4 weeks, 3 weeks, so as to enable him to file affidavit in reply.
One similar matter is pending. Let it be taken, my
Let
lord.
this matter be listed along with WPC.
643 of 2026.
Hmm.
26. That may be fixed, my lord, for sure.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 6 and 7, lordship. Mr. A.R. Bhuya is out of station. Kindly adjourn the matters for the day.
6 and 7. Okay, on the prayer of MS so learned counsel appearing on behalf. Your Begum. Your name, please.
Yes, Lordship.
Learned counsel. On the ground that Mr. Airboy, learned counsel for the petitioner has some personal difficulty today. Let this matter be listed after 6. MS so learned standing counsel. Secondary education is present. List after so. 3 weeks.
May it please, your lordship, also I beg to mention item number 23, lordship, with the consent of the other set.
20?
3, lordship. Lordship, I have prayed for adjournment for the day, lordship, due to some difficulties of my senior lordship.
It's a hearing matter.
Yes, lordship. Lordship, may fix it on Thursday or?
No, we are not fixing it. On the prayer of Mr.
Please, at the top.
Learned counsel for with this matter be listed after 4 weeks.
That's it, 3 weeks.
Huh?
After Vihu, lordship. After Vihu.
4 weeks, that will be 4 weeks.
Obliged.
Please, your lordship. Lordship, item number 24 and 25. I have instruction to withdraw both the cases, lordship. 24 and 25, lordship.
Separate order, huh? Mr.
R.J. Sharma, lordship.
R.J. Sharma, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that he has an instruction to withdraw this writ petition. According to the petition stands closed on withdrawal, say more than 25.
Obliged.
May it please, your lordship. I beg to mention item number 20, lordship. Maybe pass over for the day, lordship.
Why?
So the conducting council, P.R. Sharma is due to personal difficulties could not proceed the case, lordship, for today.
Review petition.
Review petition.
Let us see, this is listed for orders.
Lordship.
You be there, let them matter.
I'm not ever.
You be there, we'll see. This is listed for orders.
Lordship.
You be there. We'll take it up
Lordship.
on its own time.
Obliged.
MSK Devi, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that she has an instruction to withdraw this writ petition. That's all. Accordingly.
Doesn't like to praise this petition because petitioner got relief, my lord.
No, they're in process.
Yes.
Submits that the grievance of the petitioner has been redressed. Mr. No, address, huh? The matter and be over, but let the writ petition become in process accordingly. Writ petition stands closed on having
Obliged.
been become in process. Same order you first, huh? You have that.
Right, this is a relates to my promotion. By mediation, it won't be, it will be as per the rules. I will file my affidavit, my lord, will contest it.
And this had Miss MS,
P. Kakoti,
learned counsel appearing on behalf of
B. Bhuya,
MS B. Bhuya, learned counsel for the and Mr. B. Gogoi, learned standing counsel.
Yes.
Standing counsel,
Taxation, right.
taxation department. It is next for the matter is this matter is listed for referral to mediation. Referral for mediation. Referral to the special mediation drive. Special mediation, please to, however, it is submitted by the land council for the parties that since the matter pertains to promotion, same cannot be subject matter, same cannot be settled through mediation. Huh? Considering above, let this matter be listed after 3 weeks in usual course.
First time I.
As they agreed, my lord, if it is concile, my lord, my lord.
Huh?
If it is conciliation process, if it is
Okay. What is the matter about?
matter about the re-employment of retired
Okay.
school teacher, my lord.
Heard Mr. B. Sina, learned counsel for the petitioner, and MS P. Das, learned standing counsel, secondary education. Come on.
Elementary of all.
Next paragraph.
Elementary.
This matter is listed for
Elementary of all.
referral to mediation. Huh? Listed. Is agreed to by the learned counsel for the petitioner. Let this matter be referred for mediation.
Sorry, your lordship.
It's elementary, ma'am.
Pertaining to elementary.
PK rather than elementary, standing elementary. Huh? Then what I said? The learned concept of the parties, let the matter be referred for mediation. Huh? MS, Mr. Whom? Mediator. Mr. MS, learned counsel is appointed as, where is he? You just inform. Appointed as mediator. Parties to furnish the requisite documents to the learned mediator. Huh? List matter for mediation on 27/04/2026. Huh?
All right.
Thereafter matter be listed. Thereafter matter be listed. Matter be listed thereafter. Air Buya. Yes, ready.
Matter related to my lord, so far the prayer is concerned, my lord, already except one other prayer has already been, my lord, come in flux was because there are certain development later on and the school has been taken up by the district level committee. And students are now studying in the school, my lord. So far the challenge regarding the inquiry report is concerned, my lord. So regarding that, my lord, although I try to take instructions from my client, my lord.
What is in the inquiry report?
Inquiry report is against, my lord, illegal enforcement regarding this illegal enforcement of the school, my lord. And on the basis of that inquiry report, an order has been, and letter has been passed.
Is it against you?
Against the present petitioners, my lord.
Huh?
Against the present petitioners, my lord.
My lord, there are further developments in this given separate writ petitions, my lords. This honorable court has passed a direction directing the DGP Assam to initiate inquiry against the principal of the school. This was challenged before the division bench. Division bench has upheld it. And division bench has also given a, my lord, go ahead for the investigation. Investigation is going on by the CID Assam.
So far the encroachment is concerned. Everything.
Regarding the minor enforcement, already this is called as a.
No, what is the direction of the division bench and the to have an inquiry of entire issue. Matter has become important. Heard Mr. So-and-so learned counsel for the petitioner. Do you have any idea about that?
I am not, no, I am not the counsel regarding the inquiry. One. Some cases I am the counsel regarding the division bench order. I am not aware about that, my lord.
Mr.
It is.
Order, learned standing counsel.
Standing counsel tribal affairs.
Travel affairs. Permits that. In which matter?
My lord,
The
I'm giving both the number. Writ appeal and writ petition, both number. I'm giving.
In a connected matter, the division bench of this court has already directed to cause an inquiry. For cause an inquiry
Into the school, my lord.
as regards the affairs of the school, including the encroachment by the CID,
PID, my lord.
which is undergoing,
Yes.
which is
Not only encroachment, my lord,
Please.
everything.
That's affairs of the school, including encroachment, And then the CID. The matter is under investigation by the CID. Listen. In view above. It is in view of the matter has become infructuous. List of accordingly writ petition stands. Clause. It is needless to observe that the parties may
My lord, writ appeal number is W.
file appeal, may approach the appropriate court, appropriate authority, public court,
217 of 25.
if agreed by any decision, is agreed
Principal.
the outcome of the investigation. I've just given a liberty.
My lord.
If you are aggrieved, you may approach
My lord.
appropriate authority or the court.
7 of 2025. And writ petition number is 3304.
Now, let's
of-
say writ appeal will be enough.
There is
Whoever
a-
I said submitted that no? In a similar, in a connected, a division bench in WA so and so, Close,
My lord. It is liberty, my lord.
Yes. Agree.
I will agree to.
Heard, Mr.
K.K. Kanu.
Learned counsel for the producer and Mr. U. Sharma, learned standing counsel, secondary education. Same order, so and so. Appoint
Mediation.
MS Papia Chakrabarti, so and so. When listed 27-4, you furnish the copy, Papia Chakrabarti.
Obliged.
Yes, so code. Papias code.
You furnish the documents, right?
May I please, your lordship?
Yes.
In this matter, there is no scope for mediation, so we'll contest the case matter with proceeding.
MS so and so learned counsel for. No, this matter is listed for referral to a mediation. Mr. However, MS Didas, learned counsel by the petitioner, submits that matter cannot be settled through mediation. List of accordingly, let this matter be listed after 3 weeks in usual course.
Obliged.
Please, lordship. Lordship, steps were to be taken upon respondent number 4, lordship.
You have taken
No, lordship.
one sometime.
Yes.
This office note dated 1803-2000 indicates that reflects that the petitioner has failed to take steps for service of notice upon respondent number 4. Stuff. MS so and so learned counsel for the petitioner. Praise for and is granted a week's time to take precise steps for service of notice upon respondent number 4. List the matter after 3 weeks. 4 weeks.
Obliged.
Lordship, in item number 8, I appear, your lordship. Item number 8, I appear for 1, 2, 3.
You just recorded. So and so is been. You filed the affidavit.
No, your lordship.
Which for item 9? non-appears for the petitioner on call. Any objection? But the minimum, the petitioner has to be there. Let us see after some time.
Your Lordship, in this matter, we need some time to communicate with the petitioner. as- Why, if they get relief or, get the relief or not, we need some time to take instruction.
Hmm? Which for the respondent?
Petition কি?
Huh?
Communicate.
You are supposed to file amended course title.
Your Lordship, as per a previous order, the senior counsel prayed before the court that he will inform the court as the matter is settled or not, or relief get or not. So we are trying to communicate with the petitioner, but we
Okay,
can
Mr. So and so, learned counsel for the petitioner. You are for the petitioner,
petitioner.
submits that he may be granted 2 weeks time to obtain instruction as to whether the petitioner, the grievance of the petitioner has been redressed or not. As it appears that the authorities have already addressed the grievance of the petitioner. Huh? Mr. PP.
PP Datta.
PP Datta, and standing counsel, secondary education, and you are also
Accountant General.
accountant general, which honorable and standing accountant general are present, huh? This after 2 weeks. But you have obtained instruction, huh?
Yes. Your Lordship.
Already granted. Then
They will have to take instruction whether they have received or not. That
We'll
was,
try to
that was recorded in order dated 2026.
26 probably has received the news and according to press that matter will be taken up in next year onwards, then he shall appraise this quarter. Esnath, you are Esnath.
I am on behalf of Asnath, Arsha.
According, what is your what is your
No, we don't deal with school teachers,
Ah.
provincial school teachers.
what is your instruction?
The act of pension or
Your Lordship, to, next week, we'll take instruction.
Hmm?
Your Lordship, fix anything.
Then you just delete all that. Mr.
Arsha, on behalf of.
Learned counsel for the petitioner submits that although he has sought for a time, although the petitioner has, although he has sought for a time on 20/06/2026 to take instruction from the petitioner, as the petitioner might have received her dues and dues list of comma. He pressed for further a week's time to obtain his instruction. Praise the Lord. List after a week to enable the so as to enable the learned counsel by petitioner to take up to obtain instructions from the petitioner. Then you record their name are present. Huh?
Item 12.
May I please, your Lord?
Yes.
In order dated 18/2/2026, Lordship, elementary education seeking
18 of
18/2/2026. Elementary education seeking a time for filing affidavit, Lordship, but till that could not file.
yes. Who is appearing?
Secondary education department.
Hmm.
Sometime may be granted to us so that we can take the instruction. from the
Why?
department.
It's been pending since 2023 on 18 to MS R. Borwa. Let's stop for a time. Has it already been amalgamated? Had Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner. Next para, on the prayer of Mr. U. Sharma, learned standing counsel, secondary education. Further, 2 weeks time, 3 weeks time is granted to file affidavit,
Interim order passed
obtain
earlier.
instruction and file affidavit. Huh?
Interim order.
Interim
passed
order,
earlier.
next para, interim order passed earlier, so continue.
Must.
Your lordship, here we needed to file our affidavit, your lordship. Affidavit is under construction, your lordship. Kindly grant us 1 week time, your
Under
lordship.
construction,
Hearing it, your lordship, so kindly grant us 1 week time, your lordship.
under construction or under building? Had Mr. So-and-so learned counsel for the MS, no, Mr. So-and-so learned counsel for the petitioner is present. Mr. MSP Das learned standing counsel. Elementary, secondary education submits that affidavit is under preparation. Therefore, fresh for listing of the matter, fresh for 2 weeks time to complete and file the same list of prior alert. List the matter after 2 weeks. In the meantime, the respondents to file the affidavit.
My lord, may I pray date after Bihu, my lord? Pray date, my lord. After Bihu.
After Bihu,
Eh,
this will be
date.
listed after Bihu.
My lord, only praying in date. I'm deep.
Make it 3 weeks in that case.
On the last occasion, we had submitted a thing, my lord, where petitioner had yet to provide next of kin certificate.
Who is petitioner?
My lord, today is absent, my lord, probably. We'll fix it on some other day, my lord. So probably. There were two things, my lord. One was that the next of kin certificate was supposed to be produced, my lord, so that her pension, this thing could be processed. And second, my lord, she was married after retirement of government service, and also finalization of pension. No records were available in the office, which may suggest she is eligible for family pension. Those two issues we had to look
You have
into.
filed
And
an affidavit.
we'll bring it on affidavit, my lord.
Huh?
We'll bring that on affidavit. On the last occasion, we had given the.
Who had stopped you from filing that?
Given it, my lord, so court had taken it. So then last time, my lord, the petitioner had. I
They
think-
want some instruction. Where is now?
I have.
These are small matters, unnecessarily keeping it pending.
On some other date, probably by then I can get this also on record.
Non appears for the petitioner on call, huh? Next para. Mr. A. Fukan, standing counsel, elementary submits that he has received the instruction which he would like to bring on record. Therefore, first for listing of the matter after 3 weeks. This is the matter after 3 weeks. In the meantime, the standing counsel, non-standing counsel file their affidavit. The standing file the affidavit as sought for her.
The last, as per the last order, I was directed to seek instructions from UGC with regard to certain documents annexed by the petitioner. However, I have not been able to get the instructions. I pray that if this matter could kindly be taken up after Bihu.
No issue. Happy? Happy for adjournment. Mr. M.S. R. Begum, then counsel for the petitioner is present. You are Dr. P. Agarwal. Doctor within bracket M.S. bracket clause P. Agarwal, learned standing counsel UGC. Submits that she may be granted some more time to obtain instruction as regards
certain documents annexed by the petitioner.
documents as annexed by the as relied as annexed.
So,
In terms of the order dated 10/03/2026, huh? What I said? Praise the Lord. Let this matter be listed. As agreed to the party, let this matter be listed after 3 weeks. 3 weeks.
kindly give a date, my lord. Give a date, my lord. 18. Praise Lord.
Lordship, matter may be passed over for the time being.
Why?
That is in court number 7. That is court number 7.
Taken up after the holidays, your lordship. I
Why?
need to take further instruction. If
What
I'm
is
not
it?
wrong, if I could make it, lordship, remember it correctly. Grave allegations against lordship the private respondent. He preferred a repetition before this honorable court against the order of suspension. If I could remember it correctly, I think he's the same person. Allegations were there, but since the notices when show cause not issued against the order of suspension, and for that reason, honorable court interfered with the order of suspension. If he is the same person, then lordship, whatever is the allegation, the repetition may be correct, my lord. I need to take instruction from my authorities.
No, my lord, there is a petition of interim order, my lord. My lord, the respondent number 6 was, my lord, allowed to hold the charge of headmaster, my lord. I am the senior most, my lord. I am qualified eligible, my lord.
I think who are you?
I am 16, item 16, my lord.
16.
Yes, my lord.
No, not 16.
Sorry, 17, my lord.
17.
Yes, my lord.
And item 18.
18 is petitioner, my lord. My lord.
What is the case
And
about?
in item 18, my lord, I have been met respondent number 6, my lord.
What is the case here in item 18?
Item 18, my lord, they have challenged my lord, great scale, great pay, my lord. My lord, petitioner in item number 18, my lord, challenged my lord, great pay. So, my lord, he has no locus standi, my lord.
Lordship, and we have got an instruction also against the petitioner. Yeah.
Which petitioner?
Nazrul.
Nazrul Islam.
Yes, my lord.
Private respondent, what I have submitted, my lord, I need to take instruction. Maybe
Who
both
is
of them are not
private
eligible.
My
respondent?
lord, there is a specific order,
Or
my lord.
Abdullah Suleiman.
Is there a private respondent in item 17?
Item number 18.
So what is your case?
My lord, my case is, my lord, I am the senior most teacher, my lord. I am eligible and qualified for the post of, my lord, principal, my lord. But in the earlier occasion, my lord, I was hold the charge of headmaster, my lord. And thereafter, I have been allowed to hold the charge of in charge, my lord, principal. Subsequently, my lord, my lord, I have been replaced by the respondent number 6, my lord, who is, my lord, not eligible, my lord. And there is a settled law, my lord. One, my lord, ad hoc employee cannot be replaced by another ad hoc employee.
But he has to be eligible for the post. He has to qualify. There allegation of, my lord, financial irregularity is against the petitioner.
No, that is, my lord, another aspect. My lord.
Yes, why another aspect?
That, my lord,
Cannot fit
put
enough.
husband to me, my lord.
Neither the petitioner, maybe the other one, my lord, Farooq Abdullah, private respondent is eligible for the post.
But in the
I need to
instant
take
case, my
instruction.
lord,
What is your right to hold the in charge principle?
my lord, I am senior.
Under which rule?
My lord, I am senior.
Under which rule?
My lord, rule 18, my lord.
See,
Rule
read rule 18.
Yes, my lord. Rule 18,
Education and
24, sub-rule 24, sub-rule 5 of 24, my lord. My
18 or 24?
My lord.
Rule 18 or 24?
No, my lord. Rule 18, sorry, Rule 24, my lord.
Ha,
Yes, my lord.
then,
Sub-rule 5, my lord.
ha,
In case of amalgamation of ME, MV, LP school with other higher secondary school, high school under the scheme Shiksha Khetra, the employee of the amalgamated school shall be given seniority with effect from the date of joining on subsequent appointment or regularization, my lord.
this is providing of seniority,
My
not
lord.
for in-charge headmaster.
My lord, I am senior.
Where is the in-charge headmaster? Where is the provision that the senior most teacher will be allowed to hold the in-charge headmaster? Where is the concept of in-charge?
My lord, initially I was allowed to.
Are you eligible to
My lord,
be
yes, my lord, I am eligible, my lord.
under which rule?
My lord,
14th, sir. Recruitment to the post of headmaster, 14
Yes.
1. Promotion from the candidates also.
my lord, Rule 13, my lord, recruitment to the post of vice principal and selection procedure thereof, my lord.
Ah,
My lord, D, D of sub-rule 2, my lord. In
ah.
case of amalgamated higher secondary school, the assistant teacher of ME, MV school having requisite qualification and 15 years of teaching experience in both ME, MV and amalgamated school may also be eligible for selection of vice principal, my lord.
Eligible for selection,
My
vice
lord.
principal.
My
Vice principal.
lord.
Are you claiming for which post?
No, my lord, I am claiming for in-charge principal, not my lord, full-fledged principal, my lord. Now,
This is about vice principal.
no, my lord, there is also principal, my lord.
Ah,
Now,
principal or headmaster?
No, my lord, principal. Now it is upgraded to higher secondary school, my lord.
Just a while ago you said the headmaster.
My lord, initially it was a high school, my lord. The school, high school was upgraded to higher secondary school, my lord.
Hmm.
So, my lord,
Sorry, my lord, I was on next.
Hmm.
My lord, the whole issue before this court is this. Both the petitioner and the respondents, both are not qualified as per the act.
Ah.
But I am in admitted position, I am senior. I was placed.
Your friend didn't say so.
my lord, I am senior, my lord. I was, my lord, told my lord, I am senior, my lord.
You said you are eligible.
No. I am senior. And the private respondent is junior to me, admitted fact. The whole concept is whether an ad hoc can be replaced by an ad hoc. Let them go for a fresh selection. Why an ad hoc has been replaced by an ad hoc? And admitted fact, I am a senior. Please.
Already made the submission, Dada. For inch of justice, because last half instruction has arrived, since they have also.
No, actually, I've understood. She wants some time to obtain instruction.
That my sister can, my lord. That
Next week, not Friday.
Lordship, next week have some personal difficulty. Today is Tuesday, either on Thursday, Friday.
30th,
Lordship.
then next to next. I mean,
no, that far, my lord, your lordship can understand.
Monday.
Next Monday, my lord. Next Monday, my sister has no problem. Next Monday.
And Mr. P.K. Roy Chaudhary, learned counsel for the petitioner in WPC 595 of 2026 and Mr. A. Pathak in WPC 6277. Next para. MS B. Buya, learned senior counsel and standing counsel of BTC. Submits that she may be granted some time to obtain instructions, as the instruction which she has received is not complete. Mr. Therefore, praise for listing of the matter on 30th as agreed to by learned counsel for the parties. Let this matter be listed
Right, date will
on
be
30th 04/20
my lord,
2024.
obliged.
26, huh? To so as to enable Ms. Guya and senior counsel to obtain instruction.
Oblige your lordship.
Sorry, my lord.
He said,
Sorry.
Mr. Roy, your colleague has
No,
said,
my lord, I
he
should
has
not make a
vehemently
submission.
said,
No, he is not
strenuously
eligible.
he argued,
The act says
he is
15 years.
is eligible in all respect.
No,
And the
that
respondent is not.
my lord, on his behalf, I am sorry. The act says 15 years and I have not.
No, I am just on letter.
Obliged.
Yes, 19.
Sorry, Mike.
SMT 60.
Yeah.
19, item 19. Contempt. Yes, madam. Yes.
We have complied, my lord. The speaking order has been passed.
Can you be a little louder? Use the mic. Put on the mic. There's no mic. Yes.
It has been rejected, my lord.
Ha.
And the date of joining of the petitioner.
The direction was to consider your case.
Yeah, I have not received any information.
Well, I'll just provide. Just provide.
Then the,
What is the direction, sir? To consider your case.
consider my case.
They have considered and rejected by an order dated 13, very recently.
Recently, my lord.
All right. Heard Mr. A.K. Datta, learned counsel for the petitioner. Next para. MS A Das. K for what?
Krishnakshi Das.
Okay. Why I'm asking, I'm also K. Learned counsel for the Alice contender by placing the copy of the order dated 13/03/2026 passed by the Commissioner and Secretary to the Government of Assam, Department of School Education, submits that the order of this court dated 14/02/2022 passed in WPC 1092.
Yes.
1092 of 2021, right?
Yes.
Right, sir?
Yes, sir. 9/2 of
Has duly been complied with?
21, my lord.
Ah.
2021.
2021. 1092 of 2021.
Yes.
Accordingly, the contempt petition stands closed. The copy of the order dated. No, a copy of the order dated 13/03/2026 is kept on record as marked as document X. You furnish one copy.
Copy. Apply.
If you please.
Please, your lordship.
Yes.
Already mentioned in the morning. Lordship.
Yes. Let us see what is there.
Lordship. No, sir, as per the last order, it is supposed to come to the admission column.
The petitioner has filed an heard Mr.
Yes, Hussain, lordship, on behalf of the
Counsel
action.
for the petitioner. The petitioner has filed the amended course title list of the next registry to do the needful by incorporating the newly do the needful list for admission after 2 weeks,
After Bihu, lordship.
after 3 weeks.
Lordship. Obliged, lordship.
The order is complied with.
Complied, yes, complied.
We have to
Heard
challenge
Mr.
the order.
Huh?
We have to
And
challenge the.
Mr. So-and-so learned counsel for the petitioner. Mr. A.R. Tabil learned counsel for the petitioner. Alice contempt that by placing, you have the order.
Lordship,
You have no order.
I have placed
Where it is?
13/3/26.
Speaking order.
Of 9/5/25 and subsequently 13/3/26. So
Placing
9/5/25 covers.
Copy of the order. Dated 09/05/2025 and
13/3/2023.
13/3/2023. Submits that the order of this court. Dated
That is 18/1/2024.
18/1/2024 passed in WPC 3711 of 2018 has been complied with, which is also accepted by the learned counsel by the petitioner. In view, accordingly, the contemporary stands closed. Order so and so, kept so and so. The order is plagued at place X, Take it off.
Public.
Lordship, in this matter, Lordship, a review petition is pending, Lordship.
Huh?
A review petition is pending,
Is
Lordship.
there any order?
Lordship.
Is there any order?
No, Lordship,
Stay.
it has not been listed because,
Any interim order?
No, your lordship.
because,
Then
Lordship, we had approached the registry also for listing the.
we don't know. But law is very clear.
Praying for an accommodation, Your Lordship. Let the review, either it will be
No,
allowed
no,
or
it
dismissed
cannot
on
be.
their.
You know the law. Until the time there is an order of the, I mean, interim order or whatever by the appellate or review court.
Lordship may come to that, lordship, page number 15, your lordship.
No, no, I've seen it.
In my lordship, tell me for my satisfaction, lordship. Page number 15, your lordship. Lordship.
15.
Yes, lordship. Para 12, your lordship.
Hmm.
But after this lordship, in spite of this lordship, why they are preferring review petition, I don't know, lordship. What is the contention of the review, lordship?
No, one thing so far as the review is concerned, see, suppose para 12,
Yes, lordship.
he said he'll not be filing an affidavit and will abide by the decision of this court.
Clear, lordship.
He also submits there is an error in terminology.
Lordship.
See, this is a kind of concession. Obviously, you have to abide by the court,
Lordship.
order of the court.
Lordship.
I mean, it's of no use making such a submission.
Lordship.
But then filing an affidavit, bringing on record all these things, I don't know what this review is all about. But then instruction,
Lordship.
the concession kind of thing. Suppose filing of the affidavit.
Lordship.
If there's no the concession, I mean without the instruction of the client in this matter,
Lordship.
BTC,
Lordship.
it's not binding on the client or the litigant. So in that view of the matter, let us see.
Lordship.
Let us have a
Lordship, very limited period. It will be decided, Your Lordship, on one date. Either it will be allowed or it will be dismissed.
no, I'll tell you.
Lordship.
Law is very clear. Until
Absolutely,
the
Lordship.
time, is there any order,
No, Lordship. No.
interim order or whatever,
Lordship. Lordship.
staying or that the order is to have been this thing, mere filing of appeal and review
Understand, Lordship.
is not a ground to stall. But then your friend is very lenient. After a week,
Lordship, the issue is the review is pending before a coordinate bench, which is not on the roster, Your Lordship. That is the.
we don't know. That is your luck or ill luck.
And in fact, Lordship, we have approached the registry also.
Don't say we're not recording anything because it will be contrary to the settled position. We'll simply say it is on his being gracious and being what do you call it?
Goodwill, Lordship, his kindness.
Magnanimous. On his being magnanimous and gracious and leniency, we're just adjourning it. Nothing else. Don't submit that. Your submission will be contrary to the law. All right? Not Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner. On the prayer of Mr. N.R. Sharma, let this matter be listed after 2 weeks so as to enable him to obtain instruction. Simply will say, it's a contempt proceedings, right?
Last your order, lordship order, it was clear, lordship.
Yes, Lordship.
I'm like that.
I'm sorry, Lordship.
Lordship, regarding item 20, interim is there, Lordship. Interim may be continued.
Item 20.
20, Lordship. Interim. may be-
Item 20.
20, Lordship. Obliged.
Sir, we were waiting for you, all of us.
As per last order, the active consideration regarding the power prayers.
Since he has filed IA for impleadment, my lord, I can appear on behalf of my lord, new respondent, my lord. My name may be recorded.
So we'll implead. We'll allow the IA.
Yes.
Heard Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner. And also heard Mr. PK Bora, learned counsel. Mr. This is an application. What is this? Impleadment or substitution?
Impleadment, my lord. This is wrongly, my lord, this is some substitution. was-
Have some proper application.
I'm sorry.
Application for impleadment of whom? Impleadment of impleadment Mr. Narayan Kaur, secretary. Secretary to the government of commissioner or secretary? Secretary to the government of Assam, Department, what? Department of School Education. What,
Page 5, my lord, last.
why is the grounds?
Oh.
Hmm?
He has died, my lord. Vijay Chaudhary. Para 2, my lord, page number 7.
As the earlier incumbent had expired, Mr. Next better. Having considered that the next better, the earlier incumbent had expired and the present incumbent, namely Mr. Had expired, and as Mr. Narayan Kaur has been appointed as is the present current secretary to the government of Assam as the Department of School Education, and has agreed to learn counsel for the parties, I deem it appropriate to allow this application by permitting the petitioner to implead Mr. Narayan Kaur, Secretary so-and-so, as party, Alice contempt number 4.
Yes.
Number 4
Yes.
in the connected so-and-so, contempt petitioner. Earlier, impleadment is so-and-so in the connected, in first page, first para, in the connected contempt petition.
My lord, correction in cause title page may be allowed, my lord.
In the connected contempt case 96 of 2024. First para, impleadment of so-and-so, Mr. So-and-so, in connected contempt case number 96 of 20. Same thing that last one, right? In the connected, and accordingly, the Mr. Narayan Kaur, Secretary so-and-so, is allowed to be impleaded as respondent number 4. I states allowed and disposed of in contempt petition in view of the order passed in IA so-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner to file amended cause title. Thereafter, raised to do the needful. Mr. to incorporate the name of the so and so, newly implemented respondent form. As Mr. P.K. Ora, learned counsel accepts and accept notice on behalf of newly implemented, so no formal notice need be served. List the matter after 2 weeks.
After
3
1
weeks.
week, no
Applied
problem.
or not?
My lord, we are processing, my lord, after a week.
After a week.
After 2 weeks,
After-
my lord.
After a week.
If my friend is praying for 2 weeks, man.
2 weeks.
Yes, after 2 weeks, my
Okay.
lord.
Respondent in this matter are the National or University Council. Mr. K. N. Chaudhary, sir.
Lordship, I am for the petitioner.
Yes.
He was an associate professor in the National University Assam. So the grievance is that during his tenure as an associate professor, he had applied.
National Law University.
Yes, Lordships. During his tenure as an associate professor, there is a scheme under the UGC called the Career Advancement Scheme. So the petitioner had applied for promotion under the scheme. There's a mandatory guideline that the process is to be completed in 6 months' time. In the present case, the process was, it took a long time for the university to complete the process. Ultimately, it took more than 2 years. By that time, the petitioner had been appointed as a professor of law in Aligarh Muslim University. So the petitioner went to the Aligarh Muslim University to join as a professor. After the petitioner goes to the Aligarh Muslim University, the last leg of the scheme, which is the interview before the selection board, was conducted by the National University, and the petitioner was not called for the interview. So, Lordship, my grievance is that if I had been called, if the timeline was followed as per the UGC guideline, I would have been a serving professor in the university, and I would have had the chance to appear before the interview committee. That opportunity was denied to me. So, Lordship, if I'm here before Lordships.
Yes. Ready?
Only senior will give his reply on some other day.
Some other day. No, we don't want to keep it pending. No part of business.
Otherwise.
It's a
Some part matter in court number 1.
it's taxing for the courts also. Either will decide, I mean, in one go. Part of methods too, it's very difficult.
Your lordship comes, but a petitioner comes from outside your lordship. That is the difficulty.
No, problem is that they also will not be able to complete today. Because what he said, the senior counsel will give some other reply, some other day.
Lordship,
They can finish the part, your lordship.
Lordship,
No, part of method is very.
Lordship, and then fix a date when my learned.
No, I am ready. We have enough time today. It's today is the most, I think, suitable time. 11:30 only. We have enough time, but problem is.
Yes, sir. Lordship, I think the respondent's counter is necessary for Lordships to decide. So maybe fix that date can be fixed.
It's better. I don't want to keep it part of. We are ready. Mr.
Lordship,
I-
I'm led by.
After the argument of Mr. So-and-so, at some length. Your name, please.
I have seen Lordship.
After arguing the matter, after argument of the learned counsel, Mr. So-and-so,
I have seen Lordship.
for the petitioner at some length, Mr.
And got the lordship.
N. Gauhati, learned counsel,
For a report.
appearing on behalf of Mr. K. N. Chaudhary, learned senior counsel, for respondent number 1 and 2. Made a prayer that matter may be listed on some other day as his senior, Mr. Chaudhary, is on the legs in some other court.
Some other court, your lordship.
Some other court.
Lordship, I'm appearing for respondent number 3.
Are you ready? You are for UGC?
Yes.
Okay. What is your stand?
Our stand is that the petitioner herein was not in active service at the time when the when the selection committee was considering his application for promotion.
As per the
The rules,
regulation.
UGC regulations, he was not in active service in that particular university where his application was being considered by the selection committee. So that is why he's not entitled.
But then you are not the authority.
Lordship, but the UGC rules,
The rules you may interpret, but then the rejection or the action is by the NLU.
they have to follow the UGC regulations.
Yes. Then,
Lordship, we have an answer to that. I'll reserve it today.
okay. Considering above, let this.
Appearance may kindly be.
Yes. You already recorded. Dr. M.S.P. Agarwal for UGC, Standing Council UGC. For respondent number 3, Then you considering the in view of the above, considering submission so and so, let this method be listed. On when?
Lordship, 23rd April, if
After 2 weeks, 3 weeks. On
23rd April, subject to Lordship.
23rd.
Grateful.
58-59.
Here, higher education has been wrongly made as a party as respondent number 1. This is higher secondary education.
This is mainly against some higher secondary education council.
So their standing council is there, I suppose.
So TC Sutia was appearing on other dates, but he is not present today.
Matter is about what?
Matter
What is the matter about?
Matter is regarding providing salary at the ROP prescribed rate. Providing salary at the ROP prescribed rate. They were working as this. There are 2 petition, Lordship. This petition number 430/2024. This petitioner have already been retired. And the other petition, they are still working, Lordship.
Kameshwar, Kalita
Yes.
and 3 others.
Yes,
They're still working.
And this 430/24, they are already retired, Lordship.
So
they were working as assistant secretaries in Assam Higher Secondary Education Council, Lordship. Government has revised the pay scale of.
So still, is there any surviving cause in
Yes.
item 28?
Yes, Lordship. Because they have been denied their salary at the prescribed rate, Lordship.
At the time, during the course of your service,
Yes, Lordship.
during the subsistence of your service.
Yes, Lordship.
Yes.
They were working as
Who
assistant.
is the respondent?
TC Sutia was working.
Standing council, higher secondary education, not
Main respondent.
Main respondent,
higher
Lordship.
secondary.
Assam Higher Secondary Education Council.
Who is appearing? They filed the affidavit.
Yes, Lordship. We have filed reply also, Lordship. We have filed reply also.
So what is to be done?
Let's see. Maybe they are not here, let's see.
Nobody
Maybe.
is there, Lordship.
Higher secondary, standing council, higher secondary.
Yes, Lordship.
Assam
Assam Higher Secondary Education.
Education council.
Assam Higher Secondary Education Council.
Council.
You inform them. Inform them, we'll take it up after some time. 12 o'clock,
We'll contact Lordship.
catch hold of him. This is the last 2 cases.
Next.
You find them out. Find them out.
Can it be taken on another date?
No. We have enough time. This is the last two cases. Find out. You are also there. Find out. Tell.
Yes, Lordship.
Inform him. We'll try it at 12 o'clock.
Yes.
Yes. At 12.
What is this? 12 we'll try.
I have informed the concerned council, the representing Lordship.
Lordship, our name has not been shown in the cause list. That's
Huh?
why we missed the case, Lordship.
The name has not been shown in the cause list, Lordship, so they have missed that list. Higher secondary council has not been shown. That may be reflected in the Lordship order.
Mr. Reddy Chaudhary,
Yes, Lordship.
learned counsel for the petitioners is present. Next para.
Respondent के नाम है।
Since the learned counsel, the name of the council, standing council, standing council,
Except Assam State School Education Board.
Assam State,
Education Board.
huh?
Assam State School Education Board.
Assam State School Education Board has not been shown in the cause list. The learned council for the learned standing council could not be present. Rest of accordingly has agreed to the learned council for the parties, let this matter be listed after
On 23rd of April. After behavior,
And-
after behavior.
28 04/2023 for hearing. List of next registry to reflect the name of the reflect the standing council Assam State School Education Board in the cause list.
Obliged, Lordship.
Obvious, Lordship.